Have you ever felt stuck in life, trapped by stress, overwhelmed by expectations, or burdened by things beyond your control? What if I told you that a few ancient Buddhist teachings could help you break free and see life from a completely different perspective? Buddhism isn't just a religion, it's a philosophy of life, a guide to inner peace, clarity, and resilience. And today, I'm going to share 5 profound lessons from Buddhism that can truly transform the way you think and live. Nothing is forever. Everything changes. The more we accept this, the less we suffer. Life is like a flowing river. It never stays the same. Yet, we often cling to people, jobs, or situations fearing change. Buddhism teaches us that impermanence, anicca, is the fundamental nature of everything. How can this change your mindset? Instead of resisting change, learn to embrace it. When you accept that nothing lasts forever, pain, sadness, happiness, success, you become more adaptable and open to new opportunities. Try this. Next time life throws an unexpected challenge at you, instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" The root of suffering is attachment. The Buddha, we suffer not because of what happens to us, but because we hold on too tightly to people, expectations, material things, or even past mistakes. The more we cling, the more we hurt. How can this change your mindset? When you let go of the need to control everything, you free yourself from unnecessary stress. You realize that happiness isn't about getting what you want. It's about appreciating what you have. Try this. If something is bothering you today, ask yourself, am I suffering because of the situation or because of my attachment to how I want things to be? With our thoughts, we make the world. The Buddha, have you ever noticed that when you expect the worst often happens? Our thoughts create our reality. Negative thinking attracts negativity, while gratitude and positivity create a better life experience. How can this change your mindset? Instead of being a victim of your thoughts, become their master. Train your mind to focus on what is good, possible, and empowering. Try this. Start each morning by saying 3 things you are grateful for. This simple habit rewires your brain for positivity. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Most of our stress comes from regretting the past or worrying about the future. But life is only happening right now. The more present you are, the more peace you will feel. How can this change your mindset? When you truly engage in the present, whether eating, working, or spending time with loved ones, you experience life fully, instead of just rushing through it. Try this. Next time you drink your coffee or tea, slow down. Feel the warmth, notice the taste, and be present with each sip. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. Dalai Lama. True happiness doesn't come from what we get, but from what we give. When we show kindness to others, we not only make their lives better, but also bring joy and fulfillment into our own. How can this change your mindset? Compassion helps you see beyond yourself, connect with others, and build meaningful relationships. Try this. Perform a small act of kindness today, a genuine compliment, a helping hand, or simply listening to someone in need. Buddhism isn't about blind faith. It's about understanding yourself and the world better. These 5 lessons can help you shift your mindset, reduce suffering, and find more peace in everyday life. So, which of these teachings resonates with you the most? How will you start applying them today? Let's embrace life with wisdom, acceptance, and kindness.